All right, good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to PODOSKI Trading Academy. Today, we're doing another pre-market analysis for the week. Last week's pre-market analysis was okay. The week was a very profitable week. We enjoyed it in the signal room very, very well. So, if you haven't joined the free signal group, then the link will be in the description. You can click on it and join and enjoy free and high quality signals for free. So let's start. So today's pre-market analysis, we are starting with GBPUSD. GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, I have my monthly upper zone here, midway zone here, and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame on GBPUSD, I'm looking at a bullish structure. But you should take note, as market broke out of this zone, it has to do a retest before it continues going to the upside, but that's not happening. After the market broke out of the zone, you can see that the market has been consolidating over here for a while now. So as you go through the lower time frame, you should take note that the monthly time frame is bullish, but there's a consolidation here. So let's go to the weekly and see what exactly is happening. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, you see I have my weekly upper zone here. So on the weekly time frame, with the consolidation that we saw on the monthly is actually occurring over here. So since that's the consolidation zone, I'm seeing something very critical here. We have our first top, second top, and our third top. Now we have a triple top, and a triple top would definitely push the market to the downside. So what you are going to do, even though the monthly time frame is bullish, as you go through the lower time frame, be looking for selling opportunity from here to here or to here before we start looking for buying opportunity, because here was the breakout zone and price has broken it and it hasn't done any retest yet, and this was the previous low the market came to. That's why I'll be targeting either here or here when I get the setup. So let's wait and see. So then I'll go to the daily time frame on GBPUSD. Here on the daily time frame, I have my daily lower zone here. So from the daily, you're looking for selling opportunity on the daily. So what I can see now is price has already broken out of this zone, so you should do a retest. But has that happened or is that about to happen? Let's find out on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, I have my 4-hour supply here. So from what I can see, price has broken out of this 4-hour demand here, making it a supply. Price has broken out of the demand, making it a supply. So since price has broken out of the zone, making it a supply, we are going to wait for price to come back for a retest after our candle confirmation. Then we sell GBP USD all the way to the downside. We sell GBP USD all the way to the downside. Yeah, and for this GPS, I'm going to be targeting the daily zone instead of the monthly zone. I'll be targeting the daily zone. When you get in, you can get out quick. So that's that on GBPUSD. If you have any question about it or you don't understand anything, just leave it in the comments and I'll reply to you or talk about it definitely. So the next pair on the list is EURUSD. EURUSD. So Okay, so this is Euro USD on the monthly time frame. So on Euro USD, I have my monthly upper zone here, midway zone here, and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame on GBPUSD, you see price rather Euro USD rather price broke out of this zone, and anytime price breaks out of a very strong demand or resistance or supply, we know that price will always come back for a retest before the buy continues. So currently Euro USD has also been consolidating at this exact zone, and with the way this January candle is looking, if it closes strong bearish below, then we will get what we want. That is the selling pressure. But for now, let's still look for opportunity as we go through the lower time frame. So we are looking for selling opportunity. You should take note of that. So on Euro USD, I have my weekly upper zone here, midway zone here, and my weekly lower zone here. So on Euro USD, price is also moving as we saw on GBPUSD. So we saw this triple top, and we expect price to come back to the downside. So what we are going to do is go to the daily time frame, and then here we are on the daily. I have my daily midway zone here and my daily lower zone here. So with what I'm seeing currently, let's talk about it more on the 4 hour. Okay, so here on the 4 hour, we see price has broken out of this zone, and we are seeing a break and retest. So we expect price to continue to the downside on GBP USD. Okay, so since that said, Euro USD has done a break and retest, so all we have to wait for is our candle confirmation. After we get a candle confirmation, then we sell on Euro USD. So what can we consider the candle confirmation? So it can be a bearish engulfing, a significant pin bar, or an evening star candle confirmation. An evening star. These are the three. These are the type of candlesticks I'll be watching out for. And if you are not in the signal group, I'll urge you to join now. Pause the video, click the link in the description, and join. Pause the video, click the link in the description, and join. Because if this signal is ready, I'm not going to take it alone. I will definitely share it with everyone in the community. So I urge you to also join, and I urge you to join and then wait for the signal to come through for you. So with that being said, we'll move on to the next pair. So let's move on to the next pair. The next pair on the list is GBPJPY. GBPJPY. That is the okay. So on GBPJPY, okay, okay. This wasn't what I planned for. I don't know what's okay. So I actually planned for three setups. That would be GBPUSD, EURUSD, and GBPJPY. But I don't know what happened. My chart is looking different. This wasn't what I planned for, so I have to go back and replan everything. So maybe within the week, I'll drop another video on GBPJPY with some other pairs as compensation. But until then, I want you to watch. I want you to click on the link in the description, join the Telegram group, Telegram community, and also the WhatsApp community. But as important as you joining the Telegram community, the WhatsApp community is where I drop signals consistently, all for free. Synthetics, forex, metals, all kinds of markets. And very soon we'll be adding investment opportunities, which will be stocks and which type of stocks to buy, the reason why you should buy, and more. Anything you have to know about stocks that will be coming out very soon. So if you don't want to miss out, you don't have to. All you have to do is click on the link in the description and join and wait for updates. So that being said, that'll be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment something nice on this video. If you don't have any question, you don't have anything you want to understand, or you don't understand, you want to ask, you are okay with everything, just leave something nice. Help us attract more people to the channel. If you like the video, you comment, you share it with your family and friends, then it attracts more people. So let's all help and grow this YouTube channel. So with that being said, peace out. I'll see you all in the next video.